Welcome back to another episode. Today we're wrapping up the generator that's been apart for about 2 months waiting on parts. So I'm not sure where I left off, if I even took any videos of the disassembly, but I had an overheat. This was clogged with like a gel, and I bought a used one of these that's in better shape than mine because I'll show you in another video. Oh no, here it is. My O-ring retainer section had corroded right off. So while I'm in there, I decided I'm just going to replace all the hoses, all the pieces. This is the old ones, new ones, hose clamps, O-rings, exhaust gaskets, other hose clamps. I bought a new water pump kit with a cover, and I unclogged that one, but some of these, the thing had broken off. So bought some new zincs, some new impeller kits. Before I get too far, I've already replaced that piece right there. That's what they call the thermostat cover, but there's no thermostat in it. Got the new hoses to go all over the place. This was my water pump housing. Ton of corrosion came loose when I did that, when I broke everything apart. So I'm gonna vacuum that up and start assembly. And it's been almost 3 months waiting for parts, so there's short bolts and long bolts and long bolts and short bolts and whatever. So I've got the manual Mormon, it's the Kohler manual, which is great, and all the part numbers still work if you find somebody. I used Craft Power out of Woburn, Mass. They've been great with all the parts, with the exception of this hose, which is on back order, and it's going to be another 6 weeks, I think, before they can even get it. But that's all right. We're going to try to move forward. I'm tired of the muggy's humidity. It's time to get this thing back together and get the AC on. All right, so it's going. Good water temperature outside. One 94, 80, 127, 65, 155. On the muffler, 84 on the pipe, 82 on the main hose that comes out, 150. I say that's a win. That's a little warm though. That's right where the exhaust is, right there. Comes down and goes up in. See, it drops down. You get up into the tank. So I think that's a win. That no coolant leaks. I think I'm getting an oil leak right in there. So I found out to replace that valve cover gasket. But I think that's a win. I think I'm good. I think it's time to put the sound cage back on. Call it good. I'll do a summary of all the parts I used. So this is my old tank. You can see that ridge right there is pretty much gone all the way around. This was the water pump cover. And you can see that broke off. As the water pump was probably still functioning, but while I'm in there, I might as well replace everything. Thermostat cover, you can see that one was clogged and it broke right off. Changed the thermostat while I was in there too. These are all the parts I replaced. Everything's still available for this generator. You're gonna need swivel head ratchet wrenches for 2 locations on the generator if you're taking the tank off and the water pump. Come in very handy. Thanks for watching.